If you are new to guitar and can't figure out what song to learn first, by the end of this video you'll have 3 songs that you can play for fun. I've taught thousands of children just like you, and now it's your turn. For the best guitar tutorials, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos every Friday. So the first song we're going to learn today is Bar Bar Black Sheep. So make sure you have your guitar ready, and here we go. So I'm going to be using my thumb to pluck the first string like this. All the notes to this song are on the first string, and I'm going to use my first finger to push down on the strings. So here we go. We're going to play the first string open twice, and then we're going to count down to the 7th fret, and we're going to play that twice. And then we're going to move to the 9th fret, and we're going to play this one 4 times. And then we're going to go back to the 7th fret, and then to the 5th fret twice, and then the 4th fret twice, and then to the 2nd fret twice, and then open. Then we're going to come back to the 7th fret, and we're going to play that 4 times, and then to the 5th fret twice, and then to the 4th fret 4 times, and then back to the 2nd fret. Okay, so the next part to the song, we're going to come back to the 7th fret and we're going to play that 4 times. And then to the 5th fret twice, 4th fret, 4 times, and then back to the 2nd fret. Then we go all the way back to the beginning, so 2 open strings, 7th fret, 9th fret 4 times, 7th fret, so feel free to pause this video at any points and make sure you're plucking the strings with your thumb and you're using either your 2nd or 1st finger to play the notes. Okay, let's move on to the next song, which is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I also have another video on 3 easy songs for kids, so be sure to check that one out too. So we're going to be using the thumb again on the first string and using the first or second finger to sound the notes. Okay, so we're going to play the first string open twice, and then the 7th fret twice, and then to the 9th fret twice, back to the 7th, then the 5th fret twice, and then the 4th fret, 2nd fret, first string open, back to the 7th fret, 5th fret, 4th fret, 2nd fret, then the 7th fret, and we're going to go all the way back to the beginning again. Okay, so the next song we're going to move on to is Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round. So again, I'm going to be using my thumb and either my first or second finger to fret the notes. Okay, so we're going to start off this time with a 2nd string open. And we're going to play that once, and then we're going to go to the 1st string open, and we're going to play that 4 times. And then we're going to play the 4th fret, and then to the 7th, and then back to the 4th, and then the 1st string open. 2nd fret 3 times, and then we're going to go to the 4th fret on the 2nd string, then the 2nd fret, and then open. And then we're going to play open 2nd string, back to the 1st string open, then the 4th fret, 7th fret, then back to the 4th fret, 1st string open, 2nd fret, open 2nd string twice, and then the 1st string open. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and be sure to play these songs daily, and what you'll find is that notes get faster and faster. Comment below with your progress so far, and please let me know which has been your favourite song out of these 3 so far. Now you know exactly how to play Baa Baa Black Sheep, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and Wheels on the Bus. But what about when you want to play for family and friends? I've written the perfect book for kids. Guitar Star in 30 Days gives you 30-day lessons pitched at the right level, teaching you everything you need to know as a young guitarist. Guitar Star in 30 Days is available from December 2021, and you can use the link below for finding out more information when we launch. So if you want to join a community of people just like you, I have a parent group where I share up-to-date guitar advice to help your child learn how to play the guitar and navigate this sometimes tricky space. If you like this video, please let me know by liking below and subscribe and share it with your friends. And comment below if this video helped you. What if there's a way you can learn without struggling, losing confidence and getting frustrated? What if you knew what it takes to get ahead and have complete confidence in your ability? I'm here to announce learning to play guitar doesn't need to be complicated. Anyone can do it. You no longer need to feel frustrated and disappointed. You can be in complete control of your learning destiny. To get started with Guitar Star in 30 days, I want you to visit our website using the link below and sign up and show your commitment to seeing this through.